We made our way over to the Dock Dogs area of Lion's Head. This is where I've been spending all my time. It's awesome over here.
Right?
Yeah, yeah.
And we got a couple pets here. We're going to talk to them in just a little bit. We've got this is the dueling dogs area behind us.
Are we jumping off that later?
We've talked about jumping off it later. We'll see if that's actually going to happen. I think it might.
Yeah.
Hey, so quick information. I want to let you know there's a wildfire burning just to the west, the northwest of Walcott. So for the Mountain Masters disc competition today, it's moved to Cross Creek Ranch outside of Gypsum. So if you are competing in the Mountain Masters Frisbee Golf Tournament, be aware of that. There is a change. Check the website, mountaingames.com, for more of that information.
And going on here this morning to start things off, we've got the kids mountain climbing competition. Super fun to see all those little guys summit that.
And that event sells out. That's one of the first ones to sell out well before the event begins, months before the kids climbing competition. That's taking place right in Vail, right at the base of Pepe's Face, where there's another competition going on later today.
That's the spring run, right?
That's the Pepe's Face Off.
Okay, Pepe's Face Off.
So they have 30 minutes to run up and down Pepe's Face
as many times as they can?
As many times as they can.
No.
I know, 860-foot laps on the legendary tourist trap, Pepe's Face on Vail Mountain. When the timer hits 30, the horn blows, and then it's just up and down and up and down. Seriously,
good
right?
Stuff. Yeah, man, your legs would die. Which, there's something else going on later today that I think all the Pepe's Face-Off people are going to want, and that's the yoga events over in Ford Park.
Lots of yoga taking place. Again, I had a chance to be over the Zen Zone at the Betty Ford Alpines Gardens yesterday, and there were probably 200 people on the grass stretching and just getting in touch with themselves here in the mountains. So that's going on again today. A couple different options for yoga. Once again, day number 4, it's just like the first, the second, the third day, a lot of stuff. Day number 4 isn't any slower.
No, still so much going on. Like, it's still going to be a really fun day. And like we were talking about, this is the day to get all the prizes. All the prizes.
It's all the prizes. We want to thank Vail Summit Orthopedics. We want to thank Casio and also Bustang for allowing us to do these live shows from Good Morning Vail, live on location for the Mountain Games. We have a great show coming up. I'm going to venture off and do a little epic morning. You're going to hang out here, and you have some cool interviews coming up.
I'm excited. Yeah, I mean, we're going to find out more about how the Ultimate Mountain Challenge has been going, and we got a lot of fun people today.
That's right, so stay tuned. So make some plans to come out and enjoy the Mountain Games. Plenty of sunscreen. It's going to be warm. We'll be right back with a look at that weather forecast and epic morning with myself. You're watching Good Morning Vail live from the 2018 Mountain Games in Lion's Head today.